Do you guys carve a pumpkin? You got a jack-o'-lantern going out on the front porch? Have you carved a pumpkin yet?
I haven't carved it yet, but I'm excited for Halloween.
I've got some ideas here that are going to help you preserve that jack-o'-lantern, make it last as long as possible. Get it all carved out. Number one, scrape out as much of that stuff inside as you can. All the gook and the strings and the seeds, get all of that out as you can.
And roast those seeds.
Roast the
yummy.
seeds are delicious. So once you get it all cleaned out and carved, you want to find a container that you can submerge this pumpkin in, fill it up with water, and add 1 tablespoon of bleach per gallon of water.
Only 1 tablespoon?
1 tablespoon of bleach per gallon. So if you got 3 gallons of water, you want 3 tablespoons of bleach. You want to take that bleach water, submerge your cut pumpkin in it, and leave it for at least 2 minutes. Now what this is going to do is it's going to fight rot on your pumpkin. It gets rid of all the mold spores. It takes care of all the organisms that are going to try to break that pumpkin down when you set it out. So once you let it soak, pull it out, let it dry well. You've got to combat the other problem that damages pumpkins, and that's them drying out, sitting outside. You've cut all the edges on this thing.
Then you get a shrunken head.
Yeah, you get the shrunken head. They just kind of collapse down on themselves. So put some olive oil or vegetable oil in a spray bottle, mist the inside of the pumpkin and all the cut edges, and then let that dry before you set it out. You can save that bleach water, put it in a spray bottle, label it like a good chemist, safety first, and then once a week, mist the inside of your pumpkin with the bleach, and then let it dry, and then mist it with the oil, and that will help preserve it as long as possible sitting out on the front step.
Thanks for watching this episode of the OdoShow on YouTube.
And if you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so that you always have a notification of when we're on.
We're kicking out great cleaning content all the time, so until next time, make life fresh!